So today's task is to take this soffit down and to take out the fascia and put new fascia and soffit in. Now, I don't know if you can see what they did wrong here when they put it up, is they've got the soffit running to the edge of the fascia, and what that's going to do is that's going to cause water to come down and to go in. The fascia should always go down below the soffit. Soffit should go and tuck up underneath it so no water, no moisture can get in there. So we're going to go ahead and start tearing that off today. So I made short work of that, and you can see that some of this is really bad. So it's got plenty of water damage on it. If you turn it upside down, see if I can find a good example of it. Okay, there we go. Look at that. You know, the moisture has just caused mildew and mold. And that's not the only problem. It's caused insect problems there. See them bees? I don't know what those bees are, but they're not particularly happy that I've moved that soffit, and they're wanting, it's allowed insects to get inside here and make nests and things in there, and that is not something we want. So I've got the fascia off. Barge board was a 2x4, and you know, we've got all the nails pulled, and now we're getting ready. Once we've got that off, now I need to put the new fascia board on there. I'm ready to make my first cut on the fascia. And what I'm doing is I've cut this right on the rafter. And what you want to do is you want to set your saw 22.5 degrees so that the seam fits better rather than making a square cut. And that's just kind of a little thing that you do to hide your cut and to hold your boards together a little bit better. Now that's what the cut looks like when you're done. All right, I'm getting ready to work on finishing this up. It's kind of a cold, cloudy day. Hope it doesn't rain on me. But I'm going to paint the fascia, and then we'll work on the soffit. All right, we're starting to put up soffit here. Got my first piece wood here. We'll slam that into place. And here we go, first screw. So I've got my last piece of plywood on. I'm just buckling it up right now. Then I'll work on putting some of that 1x2 trim up to go with the screen vent to keep the bugs out. It's looking pretty good. Got the plywood on. Working on the 1x2. I'm going to finish that up in a second. And then we'll have this soffit enclosed, which will be really, really nice. All right, so there you can see I've got the soffit painted and the screen vent in there, and it's looking pretty good. All I need to do is finish putting those gutters on and button that up, and we'll have the soffits and gutters finished on this old house.